Welcome to Fishbone Off-Road's instructions on how to remove Chevy GMC's 99 to 06 pickup, hitch, bed, and rear bumper. Step 1. With a 22mm socket and wrench, remove the bolts securing your hitch, followed by removing the trailer connector with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 2. With an 18mm socket, begin removing the 4 bed mount bolts on each side of the vehicle, starting from below the taillight up to the bed divide. Next, disconnect the taillight harness circuit from the frame. And with a 7mm socket, remove the 3 bolts retaining the gas filler tube in the bed. Step 3. With the help of friends, lift the bed off the rails, ensuring the gas filler tube doesn't get caught. Step 4. With an 18mm and 15mm socket, remove the 3 bolts retaining each side of the rear bumper brackets, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on social media for more guides like this.